The Youth Spiritual Summit 2025, which was hosted by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports to combat drug abuse, concluded on Sunday in Varanasi, in Uttar Pradesh. At the historic summit, the transformative Kashi Ghoshna Patra, that's Kashi Declaration, was released, which is a powerful commitment to build a drug-free, developed India. More in this report.
The historic Youth Spiritual Summit 2025 on the theme Drug-Free Youth for a Developed India concluded in Varanasi in the northern Indian state of Uttar Pradesh on Sunday. The summit was held between 19th and 20th July by India's Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. The initiative reflects the government's unwavering commitment to building value-based youth movement for a drug-free India. Over 500 young participants representing 100 spiritual and socio-cultural organizations from across the country attended the event. The huge participation witnessed at the summit reflects the desire of India's Yuva Shakti to rise against the menace of addiction. Several prominent dignitaries, including Youth Affairs and Sports Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandviya, attended the closing ceremony. At the historic summit, the transformative Kashi Ghoshna Patra, that is Kashi Declaration, was released, which is a powerful commitment to build a drug-free, developed India led by its youth. This document serves as a guiding charter for policymakers, NGOs and youth networks working on drug de-addiction and rehabilitation.
देश के युवाओं की आकांक्षाओं को पहचाना और देश के युवाओं की आकांक्षाओं को सिद्ध करने के लिए युवाओं को ही सिलेक्ट करा। और जिस युवा इस रास्ते पर चलने वाले हैं, युवाओं के सामने क्या चैलेंज है, इस चैलेंज को एड्रेस करने के लिए हमने 3 दिन तक चिंतन मनन करा है। और 3 दिन का चिंतन मनन के आधार पर आपके सामने एक काशी संकल्प पत्र के रूप में हमारा रोड मैप को इंडिकेट करा। हम कैसे संकल्प को सिद्ध करेंगे, उसके लिए संकल्प के पर कई बिंदु आपके सामने रखा गया।
Today, an increasing number of young individuals are falling into the trap of addiction, which not only affects their health but also threatens their future as well as the nation's future. Over the past 11 years, India has taken several decisive steps to combat this menace. Bureau Report, DD India.